Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for facility management, making use of the 2025 guide. First up, we log into the UPBASE platform. This is essentially your command center, your point of control for all your facility management needs. Now that we're logged in, let's move on to customizing your dashboard. This is important as it allows you to create a personalized interface that meets your specific management needs. You can add widgets for tasks such as maintenance requests, asset tracking, and more. This helps us because it streamlines and organizes your workload in one place. Next up, we're going to schedule and assign tasks. UPBASE has a handy feature for this, which lets you assign tasks to employees and set deadlines. The reason we do this is to ensure all tasks are tracked and nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's talk about reports. UPBASE allows you to generate comprehensive reports about your facility operations. These include maintenance reports, energy consumption reports, and more. Let me explain why this matters. These reports help you make data-driven decisions, and they provide valuable insights to improve your operations. Lastly, don't forget to explore the settings and adjust any necessary preferences. This includes things like notification settings, access permissions, and more. This is crucial as it helps you tailor the system to your needs, enhancing your overall management process. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of using UPBASE for facility management. Remember, the more you explore and familiarize yourself with the platform, the more you'll be able to leverage its features to optimize your facility operations. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy managing.